I'm HVAC repair guy. I spent 17 years as a field service technician after working as a nuclear power electrician. Today we're comparing the Armstrong Air RPGE13 and the AireForce RGEAYB Series gas packs. Looking at physical construction, both models utilize full louvered steel panels that shield the coil fins against hail, lawnmower debris, and outdoor impacts. Keeping those fins straight prevents airflow restriction and keeps the compressor running efficiently over its lifespan. In terms of performance, both entry-level models deliver an 81% AFUE heating rating and 13.4 SEER2 cooling efficiency using single-stage compressors and single-stage gas valves. Simple controls mean fewer electronic components to fail and lower long-term repair costs. Where they diverge is warranty coverage and equipment pricing. Armstrong Air backs its heat exchanger with a lifetime warranty, compared to a 10-year limit on the AireForce. On the pricing side, Armstrong Air RPGE13 models generally list between $3,200 and $4,500 for the equipment alone, depending on tonnage. Retail listings for the AireForce RGEAYB Series run higher, typically ranging from $4,100 to over $6,500 for larger capacities. Regardless of which badge you choose, installation quality and routine maintenance, cleaning coils, checking ignition, and maintaining proper duct airflow will dictate how long the unit lasts in real-world conditions. When you weigh price against protection, the choice is clear. The clear winner here is the Armstrong Air RPGE13. You get a lifetime heat exchanger warranty instead of a 10-year limit, and you get it at a significantly lower equipment cost. The Armstrong Air gives you better long-term value for your money, hands down.